Hello everyone, this is my original top which I've been wearing in my previous two videos. It's transparent, it's cute. I did wear it in the town and seems people liked it. I received a couple of compliments. This is another top I'm going to wear. And this is another top. But for now, in this video, we are wearing this. This top. Crop top. Transparent crop top. Transparent even on my arms. Even on my arms. It's a crop top. You can see my transparent bra. A kiss for everyone who's watching and subscribing and giving me likes. By the way, I've got a ring which is made from mother of pearl, which I love so much. I would go to a disco club with this outfit, don't you think so? Please write in the comments. Please write in the comments if you like this top. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video and give it a thumbs up.